Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can tackle level 46 in the Last War Frontline Breakthrough mode. Make sure you watch this video till the end for all the tips and tricks to crush this level. Let's get started. To beat level 46, follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Start strong. When the level begins, tap the screen rapidly to fire your weapon. Aim slightly forward to hit the first wave of zombies. Step 2. Dodge left. When the first big, slow zombies appears, dodge left to avoid its attack. This movie will also positions you perfect for the next step. Step 3. Grab the Gatling gun. A glowing box with Gatling gun icon will appear on the left. Quickly tap it to grab the weapon upgrade. Step 4. Unleash the Fury. Once you have gone the Gatling gun, aim to the right and mow down the remaining zombies with ease. The pro tip, if you miss the chance to grab the Gatling gun, don't panic. Use your rear weapon effectively. Maintain consistent fire on the zombies and dodge incoming attacks at the right moments to avoid damages. Stay calm, keep your composure, and you will still get through it. So that's how you can conquer level 46 in Last War Frontline. Simple, right? So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.